ID House by Wahana Architects in Yakarta, Indonesia. ID House, nestled within the serene ambience of the housing complex, was built on an area of 300 square meters, with a total building area of 500 square meters. This house is designed to meet the needs of a small family consisting of 2 children, with a primary focus on seamlessly integrating the outdoors and indoors. The central objective is to foster an environment that encourages family interaction and shared moments. Spanning across 3 distinct floors, the house boasts a unique spatial arrangement that enhances the living experience. The first floor introduces an open-plan concept, merging the living and dining areas to create a harmonious environment. This design choice dissolves the boundaries between the interior and the adjacent garden, forging a strong connection with nature. On the second floor, one finds a family room, a guest bedroom, and a work area. On this level, there is a large void that pierces through the middle, effectively bridging the family room and dining area on the first floor. This architectural element fosters a sense of continuity and unity within the house, further promoting family togetherness. The third floor serves as a space for privacy and relaxation. It houses the master bedroom and children's bedrooms, providing each family member with their personal retreats. This separation of spaces on the upper level allows for quiet solitude when needed, while the lower floors remain dedicated to communal living and interaction.